Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In this video, we'll be talking about how to create intents, what are intents. So actually there are two types of intents in Android. One is an implicit intent, other is an explicit intent. So let's see what are intents, how I have incorporated them in my bottom bar app. So if you have not seen bottom bar navigation, toolbar, custom toast or splash screen, you can see my previous videos. I have covered them. So let's see what are intents. So as you can see, here is an application which I made earlier also, you can see, but right now I have added intents in it. So once you click settings, you go to another activity of settings. Once you click this video button, you go to YouTube directly, so the YouTube app opens. So these are intents. So let me open my bottom bar application, and then we'll start to see how to create this type of intents. So here we go, I'll open it, I'll terminate this application. So yeah, this is my bottom bar application that we made in the earlier class. So let's create a new activity because we have to redirect to activity. For that we need an activity. Go to activity gallery, make sure you choose empty views activity, not empty activity. This is for Jetpack Compose. We are using XML and Kotlin, so take this, press next. Let's name it setting activity. Then click finish. Here we got a new activity with the layout file, that is activity setting.xml. Let's go into the split mode with design and code both. Here we can create a text view. Let's go with a text view, wrap content. Here we can just self close it. What else we can do is we can give it a text as well as some styling of the text. So let's do it quickly. So text, it would be settings. Text color we can give, even though like it should be black only, so let's say black. Text size should be around 40 sp. And what else we can do is text style to be bold. And what else we can do is we are using constraint load, so we can just constrain it from all the sides. So not till here, yep. And here we go, like this. Now it's in the center. Okay, what else we can do is we can give it a background. The whole activity could have a background. Hashtag, space this is a color code. I've just copied it for a while, you can also use it. Okay, perfect. So we have a new activity. Now we already have this kind of stuff, so we just need to create intent. So how to create intent is very easy. Go to here and just say intent, and you got an intent is type of function, so you do this. Then we need to pass the application context, and then we can pass the activity where we need to go. So right now it's setting activity, so S is capital setting activity. Then you need to give a colon class.java, because an activity is basically a class of Java. So yeah, we did it. So this is a syntax which you will be using like multiple times to create intents. Then you can just actually store it in a variable equals to this. Then nothing, just there's a function called start activity. You need to pass the intent over there. Your task is done. So now you will be actually able to see how to, like, once you click the home, you will be redirected to settings. So we did it wrong. We want that once we click on settings, we get redirected to this settings page. So we are done with this one. Oh, I want to make it afterwards because I want to see the toast. So we are done with this part. Now what else we can do is we can see how to open the YouTube. So what we can do is we can do val intent, again the same stuff, intent. But right now we are going to another application, so what we need to do is intent, not this, intent dot action main. So action main means open the main activity of the other app where we are going. Then we can do is this much is fine. Then what we can do is we can do intent, I've misspelled it, intent dot package. So now we need to tell the package of YouTube. So you can search it on internet, I already know it, com.google.android.youtube. This is basically the package of YouTube application. YouTube So this is actually the package of YouTube application. And then what we can do is, after the toast, I will just pass the activity so that it just opens the YouTube application. Intent dot, not dot, we need to pass it. So start activity, here we go and pass intent. So this is done. So it will open my YouTube application. Okay, this is fine, this is fine, this is fine. And if we want something over here as well, intent equals to intent intent dot view. So this will actually, this is used when you are, when you want a URL to open, or you want that a view thing should be there, like you want to view a link or a URI. So there you can do is intent dot data equals to URI dot parse, and here you need to give a URL. So what I can do is, I can do https slash slash, okay, I'm wrong maybe. So let me open a website so that we can open it over here. Let's suppose this is my portfolio. I will open it. I'll just copy the link. It's not opening, no problem. So yeah, this is the website that we want to open. So this is done. Then rather than finishing on this button, we can do is, we can just start activity, and here we can just pass our intent. So this is done. Let me run my application and see what is happening. Is it working or not? I need to pause the video because I don't think a lot of load will be handled by my laptop. Here we go, it's done, it's launching on devices. Okay, it is launched now, and my app opens. Let me go to this. So settings app open, go back, let me open this. YouTube opens perfectly, and when we click this, my website should open. Yeah, so it is opening. Okay, it will open. I don't want to accept all this. Okay, let's accept. It is the first time I'm doing, I think that's why it's happening. So see, my website is opening. It is saksham.uno. So yeah, it will open actually. This is all the stuff. It has a 3D model. So yeah. So yeah, that's it for the video. In the next video, we will be covering up alarm manager, and then if possible we will complete job scheduler as well. That's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. See ya. Have a good day.